how to withdraw and transfer your funds from your Wise account to your bank account. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I'm here in our Wise business account, and I want to get this $550 here, which is in US dollars, to our Canadian bank account. Here's how to do it. So I'm going to click on the 550 right here with the US flag, and I want to convert this to Canadian because my bank is in Canada. So I'm going to click convert, and I want to convert the whole amount, which is 550. It's going to give you all the details here, and then I'm going to click continue. It's going to ask you, does everything look right? I'm going to click convert, and so now it says all done. You've converted it, got it. So now I have this amount in Canadian, and I want to send it to my physical bank. So I'm going to click send. It's going to ask for the amount, and I'm going to go, yeah, exactly this amount. Click continue, and it's going to ask you who's the recipient. So it's my business because I want it sent to myself. So I'm going to click this, and then from here you need to enter in your banking details. And you can easily get that when you log into your bank, or you can call in and ask for these numbers. So I'm going to quickly fill this in. Once you have filled everything out, double check that everything is all good, then click confirm. So now it's asking you to review everything. It's going to give you the breakdown. It's sending it now, and it is a holiday right now, so that's why it's saying it's going to arrive on Monday. Once everything's all good, click confirm and send. It's going to ask you to enter in your password to approve this transfer. Click done. Enter in your code. Alright, it says your money's on the move. It's going to let me know when it should arrive, and we'll keep you posted. So you can either click X or click track your transfer. And when you click track your transfer, it's going to give you the details of what's happening, which is really good. And so now I'll head back to the home area here, the home dashboard. So everything is now saying 0 because I've taken that money out and I'm transferring it to my physical bank. Alright, so that's how you do it. If you are interested in signing up for a Wise account, you can head down to the description below and use our link. If you do, it says here, a fee-free transfer of up to $800 when you use our link. And if this video helped you out, we'd appreciate it if you used our link. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.